Now, today we discuss the fluid or hydraulic coupling. Okay. First definition: the fluid or hydraulic coupling is a device used for transmitting power from driving shaft to driven shaft with the help of fluid. Okay. There is no mechanical connection between two shafts. Okay. It means there is no connection between driving shaft and driven shaft. Now discuss here the main parts of hydraulic coupling. Okay, it consists of a radial pump impeller mounted on a driving shaft A, and a radial flow reaction turbine is mounted on driven shaft B. Okay, this is your driving shaft A and this is your driven shaft A. Okay, this is your impeller and next one is there is your turbines. Okay, both the impeller and runner are identical in shape and they together form a casing which is completely enclosed and filled oil. Okay, now discuss here the working principle. Okay, in a beginning both shaft A and B are at a rest. Okay, when the driving shaft A is rotated, the oil start moving from the inner radius to the outer radius of the pump impeller. Okay, there is a first condition. This is your shaft A and this is your shaft B. This is your input and this is your output. It is your impeller and this is your turbines. Okay, the pressure energy and kinetic energy of the oil increases at the outer radius of the pump impeller. Okay, this oil of increased energy enter the runner of the reaction turbine at the outer radius of the turbine runner and flow inwardly to the runner radius of the turbine runner. Okay, it means this is your impeller and this is your turbine. The blade, backward type blade. Okay, when the fluid is coming and out and strike the blade of the turbine. Okay, then start turbine. The oil while flowing through the runner transfer the energy to the blade of the runner and makes the runner to rotate. Okay, the oil from the runner they flow back into the pump impeller. Thus, having a continuous circulation, the power is transmitted hydraulically from the driven shaft to the driven shaft, and the driven shaft is free from the engine vibration. Okay, the speed of the shaft B is always less than the speed of the shaft A. It means जो स्पीड होगी आउटपुट का, सपोज ये आपका टर्बाइन से इसका जो स्पीड है और जो ये इसका स्पीड है, इसका स्पीड ऑलवेज क्या होगा, थोड़ा कम होगा एज ए कंपेरिजन impeller of the speed. Okay, about 2%. Okay, the efficiency of the power transmitted by the hydraulic coupling is about 90%. Okay, the value of जो पावर ट्रांसफर होगा, जो ट्रांसमिशन होगा, जो एफिशिएंसी होगा वो नियर अबाउट 98% होगा. Okay, this is your complete working principle of the hydraulic coupling. Okay, thank you for watching this video.